Okay, the next task is to run the aggregate function notebook. So I go back to this workspace and open the workspace, aggregate function. You know aggregate function, yeah? So the function like average, sum, minimum, maximum, yeah? Those are the example of the aggregate. Okay, so how to work with the aggregate function in the Spark notebook. Okay, let's run the classroom setup. Yeah, automatically attached to the cluster. If not, then you have to attach manually. Then define the data source, the location, and also we decide the partition is 8. Okay, after that define the source of the bucket file. Okay, and then read into the data frame. And just now, remember, we renamed the column timestamp and then cast into the timestamp format. Okay, after that we would like to display the current content. Yeah, this is the current content. Yeah. Okay, so displaying the first 1000 row. Yeah. Then group by. Group by is aggregate to useful for the subtotal. Yeah, getting the subtotal. Group by. So we have the average, count, sum, minimum, maximum. Yeah. We're going to see some of them. Yeah. So sum. Yeah. Group by the site. Yeah, we have the site here: desktop, mobile, desktop. Yeah. Okay. So let's run here. Okay, so we have two sites, mobile and a desktop. This is the number of the requests from the mobile and from the desktop. So desktop is about twice. Yeah. Okay, and then after that we use show, sorry, display, page view, group by, and then sum. Okay, notice above that we didn't actually specify which column we are summing because nothing here in the bracket. Yeah, but here we automatically yeah, this one is sum request. Yeah, we would like to explicitly sum the request column. The reason why this command still works because here we only have a limited column in the schema. Yeah. Okay, so this is numeric that can be sum, but explicitly if you have more than one column you can put the sum here. Yeah, inside the sum you put the column name. Okay, and this column name you can rename with the alias. Yeah, with column rename. So now I have the separate column name total requests. Yeah, for this column. Count. Yeah, so the count of the record, how many. Okay, so each is 3.6 million, mobile and desktop. Okay, yep. So now we can put the count, column request, average, yeah, with the show method. Okay, yeah, sum the request, count the request, yeah, average. Okay, okay, here in the records Yeah, was that 3.6 million record or 360,000 records? Let's run. So you would like to put the format, yeah. So here, if we don't put the decimal point or the thousand separator, then difficult to read, yeah, like this, yeah. So with this format number, then we can get the value more easier to understand, yeah. Okay, this is the last cell of this notebook. You need to create a screenshot. Use aggregate function. Okay, actually you can just screenshot from here. Okay, then I go to the template. Yeah, aggregate function here. So you paste here. Okay. Okay, that's the how to complete the task 3 in the exercise 2, which is using the aggregate function. So quite similar like aggregate function in a transact SQL that last time you already learned in a module 1. Okay, thanks for watching.